Morning all. So we have a big day today. We're going to visit the countryside of Netherlands, Geithoorn, Zaanse Schans and Ligo. So let's roll.